In this video, I will show you how to use Mining Calculator. You can find Mining Calculator under Finance or on the main minerstat.com website. Mining Calculator is a free, publicly available tool, and you don't have to be logged in to your minerstat dashboard to use it. Mining Calculator supports hundreds of coins, merged mining, and multipools, and its main purpose is to simulate the results of the profit-switching algorithm, which is implemented to the minerstat dashboard. You can use the Mining Calculator in different ways. Either you load a dataset from the shared link, load dataset from the benchmark, or generate a brand new dataset, as I will do in this video. First, you need to enter a dataset. If you leave this field empty, a placeholder name, which you can later change, will be used. Then select your preferred currency and enter your electricity costs. If you want to ignore the unreliable and unrealistic coins, you can filter them by unchecking With Alerts field. You can also filter multi-algo pools, which are pools that allow you mining of different coins but pay you in one currency. They can either be a marketplace like NiceHash or auto-exchange pools like Mining Pool Hub or Zpool. Now, filter the algorithms by selecting AMD, nvidia, or ASIC, and then enter the hash rates and power consumption. You can do this in different ways. You can load the results of your benchmark and use exact hash rates and power consumption. You can do this by clicking the calculator icon in your finished benchmark profile. You load the data from our database by entering the number of hardware units in this field, and then selecting the hardware from the drop-down menu here. Last option is to enter the hash rates and power consumption manually. Whichever option you choose, you will be able to edit the data set later. To get the results, click on the button Calculate. After you click the button, a list of all available coins will open. At the top of the list, you will still have a filter row where you can edit, remove, or add new datasets. You can change the currency and electricity cost or filter the results by adding or removing coins with alerts and multi-algo pools. The list of coins will reveal coin symbol, coin name, algorithm, estimated rewards, costs, profits, and minerstat software, which is available for mining this coin. For some coins, you will also be able to see different tags. Spike tag means that there was a sudden reward spike on the last sync, and there is a high chance that the estimated reward will drop on the next sync. Low volume tag will denote a coin with a really low 24-hour trading volume. These coins usually have unreliable calculations, are hard to sell, and fall in the area of speculative mining. If you aren't familiar with speculative mining, I suggest avoiding such coins for now. No price tag will denote coins that don't have the price on the market, so they cannot be directly compared with other coins. Similar to low-volume coins, these coins also fall into the speculative mining category. Lagging tag denotes coins where the market data or reward data for the coin wasn't updated for a few hours, so it can be unreliable. Unrealistic tag denotes multipools that are reporting higher reward than the coin with the highest reward. Since these pools are auto-exchange pools, it is unrealistic for a reward to be that high. You can filter these results by unchecking coins with alerts, like this. By clicking on the coin icon or name, you can explore the coin in detail, check the difficulty, price, estimated rewards for custom hash rate, and check historical data. You can also see which mining software is available for mining the selected coin. For coins that can be mined with asics, you will also see the asics available for mining the coin and estimated hash rates. When deciding which coin to mine, you should always make a detailed research. Check on which exchanges you can sell the coin and only choose those that you are comfortable with. Keep in mind that the rewards presented in this mining calculator are still only estimations, and if you see a reward that is in comparison to other coins unrealistically higher, there is more chance that there was an error in calculation or sudden difficulty drop than the coin actually earning that much.